Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to fix your Bluetooth pairing issues of your LG XBOOM Go DXO2T speaker. So, at first we have to go to the settings and then connect devices. Here we have to scroll down to connection preferences and Bluetooth. Now we have to disable Bluetooth and turn off our speaker. Here we have the power button. Now, after 10 or 20 seconds, we have to turn on our speaker back again and turn on Bluetooth too. Then we have to check if we can connect with our speaker. If we do, that's great. If we can't pair, that's not great. It's because we have to do a hard reset of our device. And if after the hard reset nothing is working, you have to contact device support because your device may be damaged. To know how to do a hard reset, check out one because we have a video for that. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.